Okay guys, so this is ScengChat. It is an AI assistant designed by some students of Sceng Technology Institute. So it actually has the interface here. It has an input field here, and you can see both the send, the clear screen, and the exit buttons here. Okay, so let's see what it can do. So let's start by this. This good. So what's your name? That is your name. Let's see. I can't say. Okay, good. So what can you do? What can you do? Can I answer some tech question? Okay. So who designed you? Okay, let's see. Okay, so okay. Can we start now? Let's see. Can we start now? Okay, let's begin. Okay, let's see. Okay, what is programming? Wow. Okay, so let's see another question. What is AI? Intelligent. It has a scroll bar also. Yeah, good. Okay, so let's go on. Okay, what is HTML? Wow, good. What is CSS? Okay, impressive. What is JavaScript? What is VPN? What is an ID? Okay, what's an ID? Integrated development environment. Okay, what is technology? Okay, what is Python used for? What is Python used for? Impressive. These are nice questions for beginners. Wonderful, impressive. Okay, so let's see if we can clear our screen with this button. Good, it's working. So let's see how the exit button works. Wow, that's good. Thank you.